Now we're ready to begin. We open up Inventor, and the first thing we need to do is start an assembly file. To do that, we go up to the top left where it says New, and we are looking for a standard.iam. Make sure you click standard.iam and not weldment.iam, as they are used for different purposes. Once you click that, go to the bottom and click Create. This will begin our assembly file. Our first step in creating an assembly is going to be placing components. In order to do this, please make sure you've already downloaded the components off the internet. Our first step is going to be hit place. This now gives us the opportunity to navigate to where our files are saved. Mine are saved in my Google Drive, so I will navigate to that. And I can see my files saved here. First one I'm going to place is going to be my black piece. Once I go to place it, you can see it's attached to my mouse, and I have to click where I'd like to place it in the environment. For our purposes, we can click anywhere on the screen. Once clicked, the view will change, and we have the opportunity to place a second one. Being that our block only contains one black piece, we are going to right click and go to OK, so that we no longer have that shadow of another piece. Once this is placed, we do not want this black piece to be moved around. We want it to stay right where it is. So we're going to right click and go to Grounded. This is going to prevent this piece from flying around our environment when we start to constrain other components to it. So let's click Grounded. Our next step is going to be looking at our assembly and seeing how these pieces fit together. You can see next to my black piece, I need to have my yellow L-shaped piece touching it. It creates the flat bottom or top, depending on the way we look at it, of our cube. So now let's go back to our assembly and let's place our yellow piece. So we go to Place, navigate to where our pieces are saved, and we choose yellow. We're going to zoom out a little bit and place it somewhere next to our black piece. Again, we only need one, so we can right click and hit OK. Once that's placed, you can see we can grab and move it around, whereas with our black piece we cannot. That is because our black piece is grounded. Once we have this, we are going to begin constraining our pieces, and we will pick up with that in our next video.